Everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to show how I make my Bantu knot. This is a full-length wig cap. I'll go ahead off camera and ventilate the cap. This is what it looks like after ventilating it. I use color 27 braiding hair. This is what I will use for the Bantu knot. So the color you are seeing here is color 27, in case you don't know or in case you want to know. Then I'll go ahead to section the full-length wig like so. On each section, I'm going to create tiny cornrow ponytail on each of these sectioned hair. Yes, to make the tiny ponytail, braid the tiny ponytails, I'll first of all, on each of these section, I divide into 4 equal parts and then start braiding. Cutting it into 4 equal parts is to enable me to get my ponytail exact point I want it to be. First of all, divide it into half, then each half you divide into 2 and start braiding. You're going to see it in the next section after braiding this particular one. As you can see, I'm braiding one side of the section. Yeah, that's one side of the sectioned hair. After braiding, I'm going to show you what I mean by dividing it into 4 parts. So I've already done this half, then I'll start the next half to complete my ponytail. Since I have done this half, remaining the other half of that section, that's this particular section. So I'm going to divide the other half into 2 again and start braiding from outside towards the inside. Yes, and that is where the ponytails we meet, the cornrows we meet. I don't know if I'm making sense with what I am saying, but if you have any question, please do drop it in the comment section. I will answer you. This is what I mean by dividing it into 2. As you can see, I've divided it into 2. On the other part, on one half, I cut out hair like so, and then I start braiding from outside to inside. So you can see that the cornrows start from outside towards the middle. This is where all the cornrows will join to form the ponytail. So guys, in case you're new here, sorry, my name is Chidima, and in this channel I show tips, tricks on how to make realistic braided wigs. Please don't make this video your last. Just subscribe so you join this amazing family, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post new videos. And for you, my beautiful old subscribers, thank you very, very much for coming back. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for sticking with me. So I'm going to let you guys see and watch this video. I'll come back again and talk to you guys. So guys, this is the ponytail. So I'll go ahead to start forming the Bantu knot by, first of all, I want, for this particular wig, I want to do the braiding by doing starting it with knotless braids, because I want the root of the hair to be as flexible as possible. So I'm starting using a knotless braid method to extend the braids so that it will give me enough room to wrap the hair and form Bantu knots. So I'll start braiding as a normal braiding. Okay, after braiding, I'll go ahead to wrap the hair. Just sit back and keep watching as I'm making this beautiful wig style. So guys, in case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't make this video your last video, okay? Just hit the subscribe button so that you will be enjoying the amazing content I am bringing on this channel. And once you subscribe, you see that bell icon close to the subscribe button. Hit it. Put it on so that you get notified. You'll be among the first to get notified whenever I post a new video, okay? And again, my old subscribers that are watching this video, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for sticking with me, always supporting me. I appreciate. And again, if you're interested, in case you don't know, if you're new here, I said braided wigs, I said closures, I said frontal. Like the fullest wig I use in making this is also made by me. So you can get any of these things from me. Please just check the description box, the column that says to order a wig. My contact will be there and I'll be waiting for your order. Just hit me up and place your orders. Thank you very much. So guys, I'll keep braiding the extending the braids on each of the ponytail. After that, as you can see, how I wrap the first one, I'll keep wrapping it. You know, after wrapping it, if you wrap it properly, you don't need to sew it down or use anything to hold down the Bantu knot to place. Once you wrap it firmly and securely, you are good to go. Another thing you will do is to, you know, trim the hair if there is too much, if there are too much flyaway hairs, and you don't need to put in hot water. You get it? Yes, please keep watching, don't skip any of the video. And also, I want to beg you, whenever you see the ads, please don't skip it. Yes, don't skip it. You know, that is your own way of showing me support. Yeah. And again, make sure you like this video. Hit that like button. It's so important to me as a YouTuber. You understand? Hit it and also share this video. Yeah, someone might benefit from you when you share this video. Be generous. Okay, share my video. Comment what you think in the comment section about this week. I will be there. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will answer your questions. Please keep watching and I will see you guys again. I will come back and talk to you guys. So guys, this is what the wig looks like. That's all. This is a final result of this amazing wig style. So once again, I want to really thank you all that watched to this moment. I really appreciate your time and your support. As you can see, this is what the Bantu knot looks like. I did not do any other thing after wrapping the hair. I did not dip in hot water. I did not sew it down with anything. Everything I did on this on the video is what I did, no extra thing I did on this Bantu knot. So again, let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment section. Can you see how sweet, how cute this wig looks? So I'm going to leave you guys here, and I hope to see you all in my next video.